So my dear friends, subscribers, future subscribers, and also that narrow circle of people who are working directly with me on the team for whom this analytics was originally created. As of right now, the decision was made to develop it for the retail sector and also as an institutional project as well as an independent source in one format or another. Let's now give a brief overview of Ether, which is considered one of the main barometers of the entire crypto world. It serves as a guide for altcoins and for most digital assets. Yes, after Bitcoin, of course. So, let's determine from the perspective of the current market state what cycle we are in. We are in the solid bear cycle. This is what the geopolitical matrix implies. It's not about indicators, triangles, or head and shoulders, or some lagging retelling of standard worn-out patterns. The price is controlled by institutional players and miners who determine and tie prices to energy systems, which naturally is inaccessible to the retail sector. However, let's first determine which price zones for large capital remain open. At a minimum, as one option, the zone is 2381.14. This price level is not a trend reversal, it is a corrective one. From the perspective of global analytics, what we are seeing here is that the price zone, which has not yet been realized or reached by the big capital or major market players, is at 1625.34. If we continue to follow the overall global trend as it has been developing, this is the level to watch for potential movement or reaction in the market. Yes. To ascertain the direction of the instrument, we need to clearly define exactly where the volumes are heading. This step is important for understanding the instrument's orientation. In terms of the time frame, 1 day, volumes on the regression scale are decreasing for the instrument. However, a corrective move is always possible. To understand what's between these price movements, the gaps I showed you, left open by big capital, we need to calculate net volumes from algorithmic systems, because those indicators you see, the volume profiles, are just post-factum disinformation. Indicators feed you the information that big capital wants you to see. Wave analysis, it's all complete nonsense. It's for the crowd. It's just software code that imitates big capital. You need to know what price they want to achieve, and also what price is from the perspective of energy systems, a priority so that capital can move the crowd in one direction or another. To do this, you must remember that also on a global level, as one option, I previously predicted the market scenario for Ethereum 2264.21. Let's click play. We see a clear arrival at these system coordinates. The power of this block is 58 index, quite high. Bolzen Price Covenant, this is my own developed system. This is institutional analytics. Without the noise, heads and shoulders. The instrument gravitates toward a near retest, doesn't it? Or will it fall short? For this, you need to understand capital flows. You see, right? So I've given you two scenarios, but for you as the retail sector, if you wish, you need the skill to trade within the week, the day, and so on. For this, daily market scenarios are available to you in English, the international language. I communicate in a private group and also in Russian. You can check the time zones in the description to see when I provide analytics. Subscribe to the PRE-FACTUM institutional dashboard. There's no retelling of the past here, there's only forecasting the future. I give you the logic and market understanding twice a day, providing you with clean volumes and market scenarios. And I explain where capital is heading. No analyst or trader will show you this level of preparation. Look at my work from recently, how accurately I predict the instrument's arrival coordinates for you. Technical analysis is needed so that big capital can turn you into liquidity providers. Behind the scenes, a completely different chess game is taking place. These charts, they're all drawn and designed. Supply and demand, when they tell you They're carefully tailoring the constant stream of news noise for you. Or traders and analysts just aren't at a high enough level to move to quantum analytics. Thank you, subscribe, get the scenarios, have a good trade, welcome to the new world of quantitative and quantum analytics and to the new Bolzen Price Covenant system. It's a counterweight to the liquidation machine. As soon as this project gains a core community, it will be closed completely. And everyone else will just be liquidity providers. For us, this is done by traders and analysts of the old world. I thank you. Thanks.